Wouldn't it be nice if you could start to earn money by watching videos you normally watch anyways? How would you like to make an extra $100 in no time? For most of us, we spend hours every day on social media and watching some form of video, whether it's on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or any streaming device. Now imagine if you can earn some extra money doing the things you are doing anyways. Good news is I have found an easy, simple way to do exactly that and earn some extra cash to put in your bank account. I will go over all the steps you will need to do to start doing this today, all for free. The first step, you will need to go to Google's search bar and jump onto YouTube. Once you are on YouTube, you will need to head over to the left-hand side and scroll down to the Explore section and find the tab Gaming. This tab will pull up all of the most popular gaming videos that are on YouTube. You are probably wondering, how is other people's popular content going to make me money? Don't worry, the site I will show you next will be the key to you earning cash in your bank account. Now select a popular game to then copy the video's link. A tip is pick something that's currently very popular, and a good way to find out is go to Google. Type in most popular games online. It will pull up the most popular games currently and just choose one from the list. Go back to YouTube and find a video that involves one of those popular games. I will choose Minecraft as it's one of the more popular games online today. Now before I show you the site that will help you earn money, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. In comments section below, I need you to type yes or no if you agree to the following positive statement. Also comment your country name down below so I can make videos for your specific country. Second step is I will need you to go to a site called 7 Rupees. You will need to create a free account first by clicking this button and putting in your information. So how will this site make you money? The way it works is you will shorten your YouTube video link and get paid by having others simply click that shortened link. For every visit you will earn money. This website is legit and has over 300,000 registered users, and it has a low minimum payout of just $5 that you can get paid through PayPal. Now if you don't have a PayPal, don't worry, it's easy and free to do. Simply go to paypal.com, sign up for free here, and put in your information to have your very own PayPal account to start collecting money from. Now go back to 7R6 and copy and paste your YouTube video link. Once you do, you will create a shortened link that you will use to share, so you can earn money by others clicking it. Now that you have a shortened link to a popular game millions would love to watch, how do you get people to click your link so you can start to earn money? Well, I got you. In the third step, we will copy and paste our shortened link and start to share it on a popular website that others who have similar interest in your video will start to watch. The website is called steamcommunity.com, where you can make a free account. Here you will share your shortened link in the community forums, specifically on the topic of your video. Our video is on Minecraft, so we will post it on discussion forums about Minecraft and so on, which will make it more likely someone clicks it to watch the popular video, and you will earn money for every click someone watches your video. As a bonus for you watching the whole video, I will share with you another great free place to share your shortened link to earn even more money. Go to the website Moot Us and create a free account. Similar to Steam, the website has an audience that loves to watch games online. So sharing your shortened link here will give you another place to widen your audience and garner even more clicks to your link. Hope you enjoyed the video, and be sure to subscribe and check out my other money-making videos on my channel. Have a great day.